In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a 4-lens 4G Solar CCTV camera to a laptop. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, specifically for this video, my target is for 4G Solar CCTVs using the HiEasy app. Now, I do have the HiEasy app on my phone, and if I click on it, it's going to pull up all the cameras that I have, that is for the 4-lens 4G Solar CCTV cameras. So as you can see on screen, I have gate B tenants, bogus back of the house, and I also have another back of the house. 3 cameras, more or less in total 12 CCTVs, because a 4-lens 4G Solar CCTV camera is more or less 12 in one. So now for you to get the PC client, you need to click on me right here, and you'll see something called PC client down here, and this is on the HiEasy app. I'll click on it as well, and once you do that, you'll see that the option to download EasyVMS multi-device communication 64 screen real-time preview. You can scroll down, and this is the URL that you need, PC client download. You can copy this link, maybe paste it in your Gmail as a draft, and then download it from there. And the system features it supports up to 64 real-time preview and adding managing cloud devices. So I've gone ahead and just copied that link right here on my computer. So I'll copy it, and now we're going to move away from the phone onto our computer. Now I want us to download it and install it. It's a step-by-step process, so it may take long, but please bear with me here. I want to show you how it looks like. I'm going to paste in my URL here, and I'll just open it up. Now it's time to download. I'm going to download that particular file, and because I had it, it may show like it's available or not. Now I want to take you step by step through the download process of this app, so that everything is clear. And once it's done, it's going to be available, and we're using version 5.5. So I'll go back to the folder with the program, version 5.5. I just downloaded it. It's what we want, not 5.3. It's an older version. So I'm going to right click on EasyVMS, run as administrator, yes, and then just minimize everything else so that you can follow along. Now I want for anyone who uses this computer, and then I'll click on next, and then I'll click on installing that folder, and it's going to install right there, so that you can watch what is going on, maybe on your property, remotely, or actually even just help a client. So click on close, and by default it's going to auto start once you do that. So this is the installation that we get. So system default administrator account admin empty password. For the security of your account, click settings in the upper right corner to change the password after logging successfully, or enter user management page to change password. Close that. So if you're using HiEasy app, you can scroll, you can scan this code. This one they're saying it has no password, but that's the cloud. For local, does it have a password? Login successful. So this is what you need to kinda do. But for this video, let's close this. I want let's close log out. I want to log out, because for this video we are not using the local option, we're using the cloud option. And the cloud option is the option you used to sign up for when you linked your camera, that is your 4-lens 4G CCTV, to your phone. That is what we're going to use. And for this one, I'm going to choose Kenya because I'm in Kenya, and then I'm going to add my account. That's my email address and the login password. So I'm going to add my account, and then add my password, and then click on login. Once I do that, you're going to go into your account now, and this is what everything looks like. And then let's say I'll click on live. So when I click on live, you're going to see this camera, gate B, we've got this other one, we've got this other one. I'm going to click on this play button here, and once I click on the play button, it's going to more or less start adding the CCTV cameras on those channels right there. Now I can actually maximize this so that we see the whole picture as it is. And please take a note, they do come on more or less like in slow motion. My assumption is the communication between the camera and the laptop internet and all that is because more or less because of the internet. So we have the gate B cameras on. Let's see if we're actually going to get these other ones. They're connecting as well. Let's wait and see if we're also going to get these ones as well to connect. I've noticed is more or less, I think it's an internet issue when it comes to this, but it's good that we can see they're coming online right there. So we have those ones as well come online, and once they come online they change from channel 1 to IPC. That is what I've kind of noticed. You see they're changing. And then let's click on back of the house. Some more that I have at the back of the house, more or less inside the house, at the back section of my house, where I can easily remote view what is going on back there. So they're coming in on as well. Let's wait. So there we go. And then it starts kind of giving a different look for us to see. So there we have all of them connected. So we've got this particular one is for tenants, and then we've got another one back of the house, another back of the house. So if you hover, you can see where each 4G 4-lens solar CCTV camera is actually aiming. So as I mentioned, EasyVMS is a video management software for more or less these cameras that are using HiEasy and maybe others that are out there in the market. But for this one, that is how you connect a 4-lens 4G solar CCTV camera to your laptop for easy viewing. Now, take a note that they do shut down after a while, because what happens with these cameras is they do hibernate. Please take a note of that. They do hibernate after a while. They'll not stay on for all that long. So as you can see, gate B has hibernated already. That is why it's given us a shutdown message. So you can always click on this particular play button to turn it back on for remote viewing. So please take a note of that. Even when you're using the app, it also hibernates. I'm also expecting the rest to begin hibernating. That is bogus back house. So it's possible for us to actually see this is shutting down. Obviously it's hibernating as well, and you can see right there. But now the good thing with the HiEasy app, when you have the notifications turned on, you're going to be able to get notifications for anything that's going on around there, as long as you have the bundles right there. So the last solar CCTV is about to shut down as well, that I know. And as you can see, the battery is 92% for this one because I've not connected it to the solar panels right there. I've just removed them to show them that you can use it even sometimes without connecting the solar panels. So that's it for this video, and that is how you can step by step connect your 4-lens 4G solar CCTV camera to your laptop via the HiEasy app, and we're using EasyVMS. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.